Thank you for choosing Beamer PhD. My name is Joseph, the technician working on the vehicle. Today we're working on a 2014 BMW 328i with a customer concern of charging system malfunction. Indicator came on the central information display, followed by a no crank, no start. So right now we are currently in the diagnosis state. I have some multimeters hooked up to the positive and negative posts of the vehicle, showing us that while the engine is running, we are getting a charging system voltage of 10 volts. And right now it's looking a lot less than that, like 9 volts, while the engine is running. After pulling fault memory from the vehicle, we can find a ridiculous amount of undervoltage fault codes: electric, power management, undervoltage, 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 undervoltage. Everything is undervoltage. And after putting our test leads with the multimeters onto the car with the engine running, we can see that the charging system is no longer operating as designed. The central information display just turned off. I was trying to show you guys the check control messages for all these malfunctions that were popping up. And we can cycle through them here. And we're losing power. Oh, and the vehicle just stalled. So the engine just stalled in the bay due to low voltage and not sufficient enough voltage, as we can see here. So it is recommended at this time to replace the vehicle alternator in order to resolve customer concern and get this car back on the road. Thank you very much for watching.